Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making this really special dish, which is our Holi Special save recipe. This recipe is really delicious and really easy to make, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We'll be using 150 grams of wheat noodles, also known as save, the same amount of jaggery, so 150 grams, 30 grams of ghee, 20 grams of raisins, then a handful of almonds and pistachios, along with a few green cardamoms, a little bit of saffron, and 300 ml of water. Firstly, we're going to boil our water, so we're just going to take a pan and keep it to a side. Then we're going to take another heated pan and just add in our ghee, which we're just going to quickly melt. Then once it's melted, it's going to release a really nice warm and welcoming aroma. So we're just going to add in our raisins and let them pop like this. So just give it a quick mix and then add in the wheat noodles, also known as save, and just give it a nice even coat with the ghee. Now the water started boiling, we're going to add in our jaggery and a little bit of saffron. You only need a little bit of saffron as it unleashes loads of flavours and a nice deep colour to your dish as well. So once the save has started turning a nice golden brown colour, we're going to add in our saffron water. And then we're just going to cook this for around 10 minutes on a medium to high flame. Every 2 or 3 minutes we'll give it a nice quick mix, and whilst that's cooking we're going to take our dry fruits and just make a powder out of them. So it's been around 8 minutes and we've just mixed this a few times in between. So now our save looks really nice and yummy. It's nearly ready to eat. All we're going to do is add in some of our dry fruit powder and mix it in. You can add in as much or as little as you like, but now our recipe is ready. I hope you've liked this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy Holi!